Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Android or Samsung Galaxy phones to Windows. Simply go to settings, then click on accessibility, then click on the install apps. From here, you have the option that says a link to Windows. Just simple tap on that, toggle it on, click and allow, and this will allow you to link your phone to a PC. And as you can see, it says the link to Windows Accessibility Service is for those using a screen reading tools on the PC, so you can easily have this enabled whenever you want, and you can easily utilize this. Very easy and very simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.